Tapcon concrete screw anchors. Introducing the next generation of Tapcon anchors that will take your job to the next level. We've added new underhead ribs on our hex head anchors to increase productivity and installation success. The underhead ribs resist anchor spinouts and head snaps. If you need consistency and reliability, look no further. Our flathead anchor has a new star drive recess that eliminates bit slip. This leads to a more stable drive and increased installation efficiency. All our anchors are engineered to install right the first time, every time. ClimaSeal coating comes standard on every anchor to ensure that your work has corrosion resistance and long-lasting quality. It's the original and still the best when it comes to concrete anchoring. Accept no substitutes. Get the unparalleled performance of Tapcon.